students, today we are going to see about Standard 8, Subject Sanskrit, 5th chapter by the name Sheelayah Pravasa, Sheela's Journey. This lesson is in a dialogue form. Here there are three characters, Sheela, Savita and a teacher. Now here there is one character by the name Savita, who is the mother of Sheela, and Sheela is a student. She went into the tour, and as she went into the tour, her mother wants to talk with her. So whatever conversation took place between Savita and Sheela is represented in the lesson. The whole lesson is in a dialogue form. There are mainly three characters, Savita, Sheela and a teacher. So let me see the lesson with word meaning. First of all, Savitaah Brahman Bhasham Dhrutva Hari Om. Savita. Savita, now one of the characters. Savita is Sheela's mother. The second character, Sheela, student and Savita's daughter. And the third, Shikshika, teacher. Mainly there are three characters, Savita, Sheela and teacher, and among them whatever conversation took place is represented here in a dialogue form. It is all about a journey, a tour which is taken in their school. Savita, Brahman Bhasham Dhrutva Hari Om. Now Brahman Bhasham means mobile phone. Holding. So, by holding mobile phone. Hari Om. Hello or hello. See, whenever we are doing conversation with anyone in a mobile phone, we are saying hello, right? So, here also they are using the word Hari Om. Savita says, by holding the mobile phone, hello. Shikshika, Hari Om, Kaha vadati. Now, Shikshika means teacher. Teacher says that Kaha means who and vadati means he is speaking. Now, when Savita is doing call to the teacher, she says, hello. On other side, teacher says that, hello. Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Savita, aham Sheelayah mata vadami. Aham means I, Sheelayah of Sheela. Mata means mother. Vadami, I am speaking. So, by holding the mobile phone, Savita says, hello. On other side, teacher says, hello, who is speaking? Then, mother says that, I am Sheela's mother speaking. I am Sheela's mother speaking. Pravase mama putri asti. Pravase. Pravas means journey or a tour. Pravas means journey or a tour. Pravase means journey. Mama means my. पुत्री अस्ति. पुत्री means daughter. So प्रवासे मम पुत्री अस्ति. अस्ति means is there. So in a tour my daughter is there. In journey my daughter is there. शिक्षिका आम अस्ति. किंचित् कार्यमस्ति वा? Teacher says आम अस्ति. आम means yes. आम means yes. अस्ति she is there. किंचित् काम कार्य अस्ति वा? किंचित् means any कार्यम means work. Yes, she is there. Is there any work of her? Yes, she is there. Is there any work of her? सविता आम अहम तया सह वार्तालापं कर्तुम् इच्छामि. Now Savita says आम means yes, aham means I, taya sah, taya means her, sah means with, and vartalapam means talk. Vartalapam kartum ichchami. Kartum means to do, and ichchami. Ichchami means wish. I wish. So here you can see that into Savita has been called to Sheila, and further they are doing conversation. In that Sheila's mother Savita says that I would like to talk with my daughter. I wish to do talk with my daughter. शिक्षिका शीला प्रति भ्रमणभाषं प्रेषयति. शिक्षिका means teacher. शीला प्रति. Sheila is the name of a girl and prati means towards. शिक्षिका शीला प्रति भ्रमणभाषं प्रेषयति. प्रेषयति means sends. The mother is doing call to teacher, and now teacher is sending the mobile phone towards Sheila. Sheila, Amma, katham asti? Sarvam kusalam va? Now Sheila says, Amma means mother. Amma means mother. Katham asti means how are you? Katham asti? Sarvam kushalam va? Sarvam means is everything, all or everything. Kushalam, fine. Now when Sheila is holding a mobile phone, she says, Mother, how are you? Is everything alright? Is everything alright? Fine or alright? Savita says, aham kushli. Bhavatyaha pravasah katham prachalati. Now mother says, means yes, we have already seen this word. Means yes. Aham kushli. Aham kushli. Kushli means fine. Yes, I am fine. Bhavatyaha pravasah katham prachalati. Bhavatyaha means yours. Pravasah means tour or journey. Katham prachalati. Katham means how. We have already Prachalati means going on. So, Sheila says that, Mother, how are you? Is everything alright? Then mother replies that, yes, I am fine. Yes, I am fine. How is your tour going on? How is your tour going on? Sheila says, प्रवासः तु सम्यक् प्रचलति. अधुना अहम् अजन्ता गुहायाम् अस्मि. प्रवासः तु सम्यक्. प्रवासः तु सम्यक् प्रचलति means going on. The tour is going on well. The tour is going on well. Adhuna aham. Adhuna means right now. Adhuna aham. Aham means I. Ajanta Guhayam asmi. Ajanta Guhayam. See, Ajanta is the name of a place and Guha means cave. So Ajanta Guhayam means Ajanta caves. Means right now I am in the Ajanta caves or at the Ajanta caves. Right now I am at Ajanta caves. Savita, Sobanam, Tatra, Kim Kim Asti? Now mother says Sobanam, Tatra, Kim Kim Asti? Now Sobanam means great. Tatra means there. Kim Kim means which. Asti. Kim Kim Asti. So, Tatra Kim Kim Asti. Great. What things are there? Or which things are there? Sheila. Atra anekani chitrani shilpani cha santi. Atra means here. Anekani means many. Chitrani means pictures. Shilpani means sculptures. Santi. Santi means art. There. So, when mother has asked that, great, what things are there? Then Sheila replies that, here many pictures and sculptures are there. There are many pictures and sculptures in Ajanta caves. Savita, Tatra Kani Chitrani Santi. Tatra Kani Chitrani Santi. Kani means which and Chitrani means already you have seen pictures. Tatra Kani Chitrani Santi. Which pictures are there? Sheila says, Bhagavad Buddhasya Silpam Sundaram Asti. Anyata Chaturmukhasya Harinasya Chitram Api Manoharam Asti. Atra Bahuni Sundarani Chitrani Api Santi. Now, students, you may note down these things in your notebook. Bhagavata Buddhasya. Now Bhagavata means Lord and Buddhasya. Lord Buddha. And Buddhasya. Of Buddha. Bhagavata Buddhasya of Lord Buddha Shilpam. चतुर्मुखस्य हरिणस्य चित्रम् अपि मनोहरम् अस्ति. चतुर means four and mukh means face. चतुर्मुखस्य four face. हरिणस्य of deer. Four face and हरिणस्य means of deer. हरिणस्य of deer. Chitram. Chitram we have already seen this word means picture. Api manoharam asti. Api means also. Api means also. Api manoharam. Manoharam means again beautiful. अस्ति is there. अत्र बहूनि सुंदराणि चित्राणि अपि सन्ति. So first of all, when mother says that which pictures are there, mother has asked to Sheila that which pictures are there. Then Sheila replies, Lord Buddha's sculpture is very beautiful. And secondly, four-faced deer's picture is also beautiful. Further she says, Atra bahuni sundarani chitrani api santi. Atra means here, bahuni. Bahuni means many. Sundarani. Sundarani means beautiful. Bahuni means many. Atra bahuni sundarani. Here, many beautiful chitrani pictures api santi. Also there. Here there are many beautiful pictures. Savita. Padmapaneha chitram tatra asti va? Now mother is asking a question. Padmapane. Here the word Padma means lotus and the word Padmapane means Lord Vishnu. So Padmapane chitram tatra asti va? Is there a picture of Lord Vishnu? Padmapane. Means Lord Vishnu. Padmapane means Lord Vishnu. Is there a picture of Lord Vishnu? So further Sheila. Asti. Yes, it is there. Asmabhi sah margdarshakah api asti. See, as you know that whenever we are going in a tour or a journey at unknown place, at that time we are keeping one of the guide who is living at the same place and who is knowing about the history of the place. So here also Sheila says that Asmabhi sah. Asmabhi means us. Asmabhi means us and Saha. Saha means with. Asmabhi Saha Margdarshakah. Margdarshakah. Margdarshak means a guide. Asmabhi Saha Margdarshakah api asti. Api asti means also there. So with us there is one guide also. We are having one guide also with us. Savita says Saha kim kathayati. Saha means he and kim kathayati. Saha means he. Kim means what? And kathayati says Asmabhi sah margdarshakah api asti. With us there is one guide also. Savita says Saha kim kathayati. What did he say? What did he says? शीला सेज सः बौद्धगुहाया विषये अस्माभिः सह वार्तालापं करोति. सः मीन्स ही बौद्धगुहाया विषये. बौद्धगुहाया विषये. बौद्धगुहा means already we have seen, but then also बौद्धगुहाया means Buddhist cave. Buddhist caves और बुद्धा केव. Buddhist cave or Buddha caves विषय about. विषय means about. अस्माभिः सह. अस्माभिः सह with us वार्तालापं करोति. वार्तालाप means talk. So he talks with us about the Buddhist cave or the Buddha caves. अपि च and also गुहायाः इतिहासं. गुहायाः इतिहासं अपि मा कथयति. इतिहासं means history. And also he is talking about or he is telling about the history of Buddha's cave, of Buddha cave. सविता तेषां स्थानानां कानिचित् छायाचित्राणि आनयतु. तेषां means of those. तेषां means of those and स्थानानां means place. Of those place कानिचित्. कानिचित् means some of the. कानिचित् some छायाचित्राणि. छायाचित्राणि means photograph. छायाचित्राणि आनयतु. आनयतु means to bring. Now, when Sila has told that there is one guide also with us and who is guiding us, who is telling us about the Buddhist cave and its history, then mother says that then bring some of the photographs of those places. Then bring some of the photographs of those places. Further, Sheila avashyam aneshyami. Avashyam means sure. Definitely or sure, aneshyami, I will bring. Sure, I will bring. Definitely, I will bring. Further, सविता says अजंतातः प्रवासः कुत्र गमिष्यति. अजंतातः means from Ajanta. अजंतातः प्रवासः कुत्र गमिष्यति. From Ajanta, where will the journey go? Where will the journey go? Sheila says अजंतातः वयं कृष्णेश्वरं. कृष्णेश्वरतः शिर्डी. शिर्डीतः त्र्यंबकेश्वर. त्र्यंबकेश्वरतः नासिकं गमिष्यामः. So from Ajanta we will go Krishneshwar. From Krishneshwar we will go to Shirdi. From Shirdi we will go to Nasik. Savita Sobhanam. Savita says great. Pravashah शिक्षणस्य भाग एव अस्ति. Pravashah means a journey or a tour. शिक्षणस्य of education. Bhagam asti. Bhag means part. So tour is one of the part of education. Mother says great. Tour is one of the part of education. तर्हि सम्यकरीत्या प्रवासं करोतु. तर्हि so सम्यकरीत्या do well. तर्हि means so or then. Do your journey well. सम्यकरीत्या प्रवासं करोतु. So do your journey well. भवती यत यत पश्यति तत सर्व टिप्पणी पुस्तके लिखति. भवती means you. यत यत means whatever. पश्यति means see, to see. तत that all. टिप्पणी पुस्तके. पुस्तक means book. टिप्पणी पुस्तक means notebook. लिखतु. लिखतु means write down. So whatever you are seeing, that all things write down in your notebook. Mother says that tour is one of the part of education. So whatever you are seeing, that whatever you are noticing, that all things note it down in your notebook or write down in your notebook. Sheila, अवश्यं लेखिष्यामि. अवश्यं means sure. लेखिष्यामि, I will write. Sure, I will write. सविता, अपि च प्रवासस्थानस्य विशेषतां तथा तस्य स्थानस्य इतिहासविषये अपि लिखतु. अपि च. अपि means also and च means and also प्रवासस्थानस्य. प्रवासस्थानस्य means of whose place. प्रवासस्थानस्य means of whose place. अपि च प्रवासस्थानस्य विशेषतां. विशेषतां means speciality. Speciality. तथा तस्य स्थानस्य. तथा and तस्य स्थानस्य of that place इतिहास विषये अपि लिखतु. And also write down about the history of that place. So here mother wants to say that if you are going there, then write down about the history of that place and also about the speciality of that particular place. As we know that every place are having their own history and its own speciality. So here mother is also telling to Sheila that note it down the history as well as the speciality of particular place wherever you are visiting. Sheila says avashyam means sure. Bhavatu namo namah. Bhavatu means okay. Namo namah means goodbye. Mother says namo namah means goodbye. So dear students, we have lesson number 5 by the name Sheila's journey. Sheila Yaha Pravas is over, And here you have seen the conversation which took place between Sheila and her mother. As Sheila is going in a journey, her mother is doing call to her, and afterwards the conversation took place between them. That what things Sheila has seen there, what she is doing there. So this whole thing is